Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by placing the roll onto the spindle with the adhesive side facing down toward the cutting wheel. This orientation ensures the tape unwinds cleanly. Once the roll is seated, pull about 1/2 inch of tape free and thread it under the guide arm so it contacts the serrated cutter. Make sure the roll spins smoothly and the tape feeds straight. If it binds, reseat the core and try again to prevent jams during use. Next, you route the tape precisely. Lead it under the guide arm, across any pressure roller, and over the teeth so the adhesive faces down at the cutter. Pull gently to set a light tension. This keeps the tape flat without stretching it. Over-tension will tear on the serrations and under-tension will bunch up. Once done, give a short pull and a single tear to confirm smooth feeding. If it snags, recheck alignment and adjust roll position slightly. To finish a piece, hold the free end taut with one hand and press it onto the serrated cutting edge. Then apply a quick downward snap to slice cleanly. Make sure to press the tape onto the receiver pad after cutting so it stays accessible for the next use. If the cut is ragged or the dispenser leaves residue, clean the roller with isopropyl alcohol and inspect the serrations for damage. Replacing the cutter or adjusting the tape angle usually fixes persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.